You know, collaboration has been a common theme of Get Satisfaction since day one. To have true collaboration, people have to authentically connect with each other. We believe that good relationships make good business, and from that, trust gets created. That's the essence of everything we do. From a global standpoint, it's easy to hide behind an email or a telephone. So when you have that opportunity to go face-to-face through an easy-to-use collaboration tool like GoToMeeting, it completely changes the dynamic. And that's the dynamic that we were born around, the human element. With GoToMeeting, it's so easy to get work done faster and get that reaction real time. We could not take on this next stage of growth without a tool as powerful as GoToMeeting.
Visit GoToMeeting.com today and try it free.